This is a look at the genuine Mansfield 630-8500 wall hydrant complete repair kit. As you can see, there are instructions here for the stem repair and the vacuum breaker repair. This is all that comes in the kit: the vacuum breaker, packing nut, the packing nut under there, this kit comes with the handle and the handle screw. It also comes with both the left and right hand packing. As you can see, the right hand packing is a little bit thicker. And then you've got washers and O-rings that come in this kit as well. The screw for the stem. And as you can see, inside of the vacuum breaker is the poppet. And to put the vacuum breaker on, you take the cap. You just push that inside of there. It'll pop in. The packing nuts. Get a few measurements here. This is the handle screw. The handle itself. This is the left hand packing. The right hand packing. As you can see, the height difference in these two here, right hand and left hand. That is why the right hand packing is thicker than the left hand packing. The O-rings, support washer, this is the seat and screw here, the vacuum breaker, and once again, this is the genuine Mansfield by Prier 630-8500 wall hydrant complete repair kit.